Christian J. Montomo, BSN2 from Jose Rizal Memorial State University, and today I'll be demonstrating on how to make a prenatal assessment. Good day, ma'am. My name is Nurse Christian and I will be your nurse for today. How's your day, ma'am?
I'm good, sir.
What do you feel right now?
I'm okay.
Do you feel any pain?
Yes, sir.
If you feel any, just tell me, okay? Do you feel comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Do you need some water?
No, sir.
So, ma'am, this is your second prenatal checkup. First checkup was on September 20, 2021. In this checkup, is it okay for you to perform some checkup on your belly and have some measurements?
Yes, sir.
So, regular checkup, ma'am, are really important during pregnancy. It can help us monitor your health as a mother and prenatal development during your pregnancy. For your prenatal checkup, it should be once each month for week 1 through 32. Then twice a month for week 32 and 36, weekly for weeks 36 until delivery. In your first prenatal, you had a breast examination, a pelvic examination, a pap test, to test for cervical cancer, and testing for any infections, in which all the results are normal and no infectious disease is found. Now, ma'am, I am going to ask few questions regarding on the update on your medical history and lifestyle. It is okay with you?
It's okay, sir.
So, ma'am, after asking question, please tell me if you had a family history. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a tuberculosis?
No, sir.
Do you have a high blood pressure?
No.
Are you diabetic?
Also no, sir.
Do you have a bronchial asthma? A malaria?
None, sir.
A goiter?
None.
Do you have past surgeries?
No, sir.
When was your last hospitalization?
Last year, sir.
Do you smoke?
No, sir.
Do you drink alcoholic beverages?
Sometimes.
In your family, is there any who smoke?
No, sir.
So, if there's any person who smoke near you, you have to keep away because it's not good for your baby and also for yourself. How's your daily lifestyle, ma'am?
It's okay, sir.
Do you perform some exercises?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of exercises?
Walking.
Do you eat healthy foods?
Yes, sir.
Are your immunization is up to date?
Yes, sir.
Okay, be sure to complete 5 doses of the vaccine. Do you notice breast pain?
Yes, sir.
Don't you worry, ma'am. It is normal during pregnancy. Do you have bloody stool?
No, sir.
Do you have any changes in bowel movements?
No, sir.
To check if you have infections in your urinary tract, do you experience a burning sensation while urinating?
No, sir.
Do you have vaginal discharge?
None, sir.
Vaginal infections?
No, sir.
Okay, ma'am, now I am done asking questions. Do you have any questions or clarification?
None, sir.
Okay, so let's move on our assessment. Don't you worry, ma'am. I will secure your privacy. The doors are locked and also the windows are closed so that others can see us outside nor interrupt us. Now I am going to start taking your vital signs. We already talked your height and weight, so we jump in taking your blood pressure. Then your pulse. And lastly, your temperature.
Supposed to be.
Okay, we're done, ma'am. Can you please lie down for me? First, I am going to inspect your hand and look on your fingers for capillary refill. Next is your skin. Okay, it is good. No rashes or any lesions found. Next is your hair. Your hair is thick, black in color, and it is good condition. Now I'm going to palpate your neck and head. Next is inspect your eyes. Then your ears. Can you please open your mouth? I see some tooth decay. Are your gums swelling?
Yes.
Okay, now I am going to inspect your abdomen. Okay, I see a little bit of stretch mark. No linea nigra or surgical scars. Now, I will measure your fundal height. It won't hurt or harm your baby and it won't take long. Now, I will expose your belly. It is okay, ma'am. And I will use my tape measure for the measurement and I will use the centimeter side. We start at the symphysis pubis and we're gonna feel where is your fundus and I'm gonna measure it. So it is about 25 centimeters and it is about 25 weeks. So next is to perform the auscultation of the fetal heart rate. First, using the bell of the stethoscope at the fetus convex that is close to the uterine walls. Okay, ma'am, we're done. Do you have any questions?
None, sir.
Okay, see you on your next prenatal. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.